how to turn on dual recording in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom, tap on the More button. In here, you'll find where it says Dual Record. Tap on it to start dual recording. Now, if you cannot find dual record in this selection screen, then you need to add it. So you need to go into the control settings, then tap on the settings here. Next, we scroll down and tap on dual recording. So we go into camera assistant first, and then we go down, and then make sure you turn on dual record, and then we go back to the camera. Now in camera, now you can tap on More, and then tap on dual record, and that's it. So now you can tap on the dual record button to record the videos. You can also change the lens. So here we can change the front lens, ultra wide. For the back lens, we can do telephotos or wide. And then tap on OK, and there it is. So you can change the lens. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.